steep.
Yes, it's steep.
Now, remember when you're up there how high the trees didn't look all that high? They're still 1,000 miles below us.
This is fun.
Wasn't that cool?
That was cool. That was really
Welcome
cool.
into the stunning Jamison Valley. Everybody's favourite girls, the three sisters, will be on your left-hand side. Now when the train comes to a complete stop, you can make your way up the stairs, go over the bridge and follow the walkway to the gateway and the rainforest walks. I'd like to thank you for riding on board the world's steepest incline railway and hope you enjoy the rest of your time in the beautiful Blue Mountains.
That was fun.
Yes, it was. Wiggle, wiggle. That was cool.
That was fun.
Come here. Come here.
Adesso voglio vedere la corda lì.
The trees are funny looking.
Yes. This is for tree things.
We'll be departing very shortly.
Remember when I said when we were up at the top up there?
Until the last ride, which departs at 4.
That looked like it was way down below. Well, it's still way
Those will be for the
down.
cableway. Once you're ready, you can make your way up the stairs, go over the bridge and follow the walkway along to the cableway and the rainforest walk. You now have access to almost 3 kilometres of
The
elevated
steepest
walking.
train in Australia. Actually, probably in the world.
Yeah.
Are these only in Australia? Or
What, those trees?
Yeah.
They're ferns and different trees.